On that matter, I noted carefully a news report that Florida is contemplating requiring persons sending remittances to provide a higher level of identification. I haven't verified the report, but from all accounts it seems to be something that is being pursued. But again, I repeat, we respect the sovereign right of any country to pursue their public order, citizen security, and social policies. But it would be very useful, however, if the intention is to find criminals who are also illegal migrants, to put some effort on those who are trying to send back guns to Jamaica. The remittance coming back to Jamaica is helping grandma in some remote community to survive an extra day. So too is the barrel with rice. But it is unfortunate when the gun is in that rice.